Good morning, everyone. And this time, uh, let us try to continue the writing of introduction in your research paper. So this is actually the part two because previously I already taught you how to have it, the importance, and the legal basis. So this time, let's proceed to the third elements in writing an introduction of your research paper, and let us try to cite the gap. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to writing research in education, you will always be updated. So, this time, as what I have told you, that there are important elements to be considered in writing an introduction. First, we have the importance. Second, the legal basis. Third, the gaps. And fourth, justification of conducting the study. So this time, I will teach you how to do it. No, I'm integrating also the AI. So as what I have told you on my end, I used Gemini, and let us try to stick to our title, no? Customer preferences and satisfaction among tea shops in Butuan City. So, with the use of the AI, so if you try to look at this, andito na po yung importance, andito na yung legal basis. So, dapat when you are going to have this, dapat nasa iisang thread ka lang, no? You will not be creating new thread. So, para tuloy-tuloy po yung idea ng or yung focus ng study na gusto mong pagtuunan ng pansin. So this time, let us try to have the gaps. So when we talk about gaps, it has something to do with challenges, it has something to do with problems. And in the presentation of the gap, we should have to have it in an inverted pyramid. So dapat international and then national and then zero in doon sa iyong local, no, kung saan you are going to conduct the study. So in this case, the local of the study is Butuan City. So let's begin now. So papaano natin, no, how are we going to put a command doon sa AI para maibigay niya ang gusto niya or maibigay ng AI ang gusto nating ideya o information na ating ilapat doon sa or ilalapat doon sa ating introduction. So, ganito lang po, no? Kaya nga sinabi ko sa inyo na kailangan nasa isang thread lang para tuloy-tuloy po yung idea. So, ganito yung gagawin natin based on the study presented above. Provide the gap or provide the gaps that will be the basis why this study will be conducted. So, dapat malinaw din po yung tanong, no? You have to make your question clear para the AI could also provide you the necessary information that you wanted to have. So, and then, gaps must be presented in an inverted pyramid. It will start from international level. Yeah. Lagyan lang natin siya ng outside Philippines kasi para malaman ng AI that we are in the Philippines. Next is in the Philippine context and hypothetically, lagyan natin siya ng hypothetically kasi para mabigyan tayo ng detalye, no? So that we could be able to be provided an information in Butuan City. Okay, hypothetically, zero in to Butuan City. Okay, so this is not enough. Gaps must be taken from a literature and provide an in-text citation in an APA 7 version. Okay, in an APA 7 version. So, outside Philippines, so we have, no, hindi na lang siguro, gagawin natin siyang international level. Pwede nating i-specify, no? Pwede nating i-specify yung lugar, the geography, USA, Singapore, and USA, Singapore, and Thailand, for example. Or let's have China. And then next is in Philippine context and hypothetically zero into Butuan City. Gaps must be taken from a literature and provide in-text citation. So, dagdagan pa natin, no? Pwede nating idagdag na provide 2 paragraphs in the international level, 1 paragraph in Philippine context, and 1 paragraph for Butuan City. Okay. No, so let us try to read again, no, yung ating tanong. Based on the study presented above, so we are referring to the customer preferences and satisfaction. Provide the gaps that will be the basis why the study will be conducted. Gaps must be presented in an inverted pyramid. It will start from international level, USA, Singapore, and China. Next is in the Philippine context and hypothetically zero into Butuan City. Gaps must be taken from a literature and provide an in-text citation in an APA version. Lagyan natin from 2019 to 2024. Then provide 2 paragraphs in the international level, 1 paragraph in the Philippine context, and 1 paragraph for Butuan City. And then, we're going to click the prompt. So, titingnan natin kung ano ang mangyayari. Okay, so ito yun. No? So, we have now the international gaps and we demanded na bigyan tayo ng 2 paragraphs and then try to see the citation 2021, 2022, and then Philippine context in the Philippines research on the industry still nascent with a focus primary on production and export trends. O yan. And then hypothetically in Butuan City, zooming in to Butuan City, the absence of the localized research on customer preferences. So, this is how research had been made, no, with the use of AI. So after this one, we will proceed, no, we will proceed to the part 3, no, of the presentation of your introduction, and then pagkatapos natin yung part 3, no, yung justification na, um, tuturuan ko na kayo kung paano natin ito ilatag doon sa Word format, no? Because your introduction is part of your chapter 1, the problem and its setting. So I hope that you gain something this morning, and no, abangan ninyo yung part 3, and that would be our last discussion, no, for your input in introduction, so that you could be able to complete now your introduction in your research paper. So thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone and stay safe.
Way away.